Hi, welcome to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we'll be making a Chinese fried rice, seafood fried rice to be specific. So it will involve some nice ingredients and we'll quickly go and show you how this is done. Alright, let's move to cooking. Okay, now that we're back, the fried rice is done. Now take a look at this. This is so beautiful. Now let's give this a try. I got a spoon right here. Let's see. Nice. Let's try some scallop with some rice. The scallop is so crunchy and bouncy in your mouth. This is beautiful. Awesome. Let's try a piece of shrimp. The shrimp is crunchy also. Great. This is tasty. I'm gonna enjoy this dinner. Okay. If you like what you see here today, please subscribe and we'll see you next time again. Bye now.